Hi everybody, Jack Rabin here at Bog Cafe. We're going to talk about Tepache today. Tepache is a fermented beverage originally from Mexico. It's made with pineapple, the core, and the rind actually. It's fermented so you can save the outside and you use the nice meat on the inside, the fruit, and you can save this part and make a cool beverage with it so you don't have to throw it all in the garbage. It's a very easy recipe, so we're going to start right now. We have a gallon of water. We have 1 pound of brown sugar, and we have 1 clove and 1 cinnamon stick. So your pineapple, you want to take the top off, save this, you can go replant it, and you can grow a new pineapple. As for the rest of it, make sure you wash your pineapple. It's good to use an organic pineapple that doesn't have any pesticides on it. It's going to give you a cleaner end product. But we're going to take the skin off, just like this, and we're going to reserve it. And I got to have a nice clear bucket so you can kind of see the process. We're going to put the pineapple rinds in here. Then you will save the meat, or the fruit, if you will. So we have beautiful fruit. If you want to cut up and put it in a smoothie, or whether you're cooking with pineapple or whatever you're doing, you can use the other part of the pineapple to make this beverage. It's great for the hot weather that's coming up. It goes really well with spicy foods. It only takes a few minutes to make. Here's the pour. And also, it has to sit for 24 to 36 hours. So what we have over here is we have a pot of boiling water. Well, it's not boiling yet. So we'll put our water in. So you want to dissolve your brown sugar. It only takes a few minutes. And you want to take your pineapple rinds and your core. You're going to add 1 cinnamon stick. You're going to add 2 cloves. And that's all it takes. This can sit on the counter for 24 to 36 hours. It's going to ferment. There's going to be a very, very low amount of alcohol in it. But it's more of a refreshing, nice beverage. It can also be a mixer for a cocktail. What we have here, once the water and the brown sugar is dissolved, we'll grab a ladle and a whisk. And you're just going to add it to your pineapple. So here's your rinds and your cores. Just like that. Now you're going to want to take a cloth and put it over the top. This is going to keep anything out of it, like fruit flies or whatnot, but you want it to be able to breathe. That way it can ferment. So check it after 24 hours, check it after 36. The worst thing you can do if you go too far is make vinegar. But this is great. It stores in the refrigerator, probably up to a week. Serve over ice, garnish with some fruit or the rest of the pineapple, whichever you prefer. Serve it with tacos, you're good to go. Thank you guys.